A short moral story: Small Bird and a Golden Crown.
Once in a forest there was a small bird who loved to singing. One day a big bird heard the small bird singing. Big bird was jealous and told to small bird, "Stop singing, you are too small and your voice is very bad." The small bird felt and sad but didn't stop singing. She practiced every day and her voice got better day by day. Few days later, a king was passing by the forest. He heard small bird beautiful song and was very impressed. He gave her a beautiful golden crown. Moral of the story: believe in yourself. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe.